Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, October the 6th, and today is a half day. So I'll make today's instructions shorter than usual. That way you can get right to work. A couple of things before I get into the actual lesson. If you'll check your announcements, you'll see that I've posted two announcements for you. The first announcement that I posted was the bell schedule for today. So if you'll take a look at it, you'll see that each of your class periods are only about 55 minutes long. So it's going to be really important that you don't waste your time, that you get right to work and you make the best use of your school time today. The second announcement that I posted for you all is an opportunity for the singers on the team. So there is a stormwater song contest that's being offered to all students between grades 6 and 12. So if you like to sing, if music is your thing, then this could be an opportunity for you to let your voice be heard. So check these out. You might be interested in this. But let's get into today's module. Okay, so today's focus will be on ocean zones. And so, as I've done every other day, you'll see that I have posted the lesson plan or a student friendly copy of the lesson plan. So if you look at the lesson plan, your goal today is to focus on summarizing evidence that Earth's oceans are a reservoir for nutrients, minerals, dissolved gases, and life forms. Today, you're really focusing on the ocean ecosystems. You're going to do some research on the intertidal zone, the neritic zone, and the abyssal zone, which are all parts of the ocean. And then you're going to develop a short little research project. Don't panic. It's definitely doable, and it's something that you really can accomplish within the time that you have today. So let's get into the first part of the lesson. First, you need some background knowledge. So this is an organizer that I'm going to recommend that you copy into your notebook, and I think it should take up a whole sheet of paper. So go ahead and label your notebook page Ocean Zones Presentation or Marine Zones Presentation, like you see on the little organizer, and draw this chart or this organizer into your notebook. And then as you are reading, and you're going to carefully read each slide in the presentation, you're going to get information about each of the different ocean zones. You'll learn about the gases that are dissolved in the ocean, and then you'll start to learn about the different zones. The main zones are the intertidal zone, the neritic zone, the oceanic zone, and the benthic zone. And you'll learn about all this in the presentation. So on your organizer, you're trying to distinguish the difference between the amount of sunlight that each zone gets, the distance from the shore for each zone, and then the type of organisms that live in each zone. So again, availability of sunlight, like does it get a lot of sunlight or very little sunlight? Or does no sunlight reach that zone? Distance from the shore, is it close to the shore? How close is it to the shore? Is it far away from the shore? How far away is it from the shore? And types of organisms, what kinds of things live in that zone? You're going to get all that from this presentation. I'm thinking this presentation should take you no longer than about 15 or 20 minutes. So if you're spending longer than 20 minutes on the presentation, try to pick up your pace so that you can get to the next part of the lesson because you only have 55 minutes. All right, so then we have the short project that I told you about. So what you're going to do here is you're going to choose one of these ocean zones to focus on. So just pick one. And you're going to do some research and create a digital poster. And you can use Adobe Spark or Canva to create your digital poster. Now, my B-Day classes, you're going to have more time than my A-Day classes, of course. So B-Day students and for A-Day students, there is a Quizlet with key vocabulary words for you to focus and study. There are 20 words in this Quizlet that can help you to understand the different parts of the ocean and key aspects of the ocean. So that's today's lesson, everybody. Start with the Ocean Zones presentation and notes, then the short research project. Remember, just pick one zone, and then practice your vocabulary. I hope you're having a great day. And I will see everybody soon. And I hope to see you next week. All right. Have a good one. Bye bye.